Hey guys, today we are going to eat the Dr. Ottekar Kuppies, and to prepare that we just need to put it in the microwave for like 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to put it in a microwave right here and just going to close it and set it to 10 seconds. And let it heat for like 10 seconds and see how it comes out. So let it heat for like 10 seconds now. So here it's ready. Now let's take it out. This is how easy it is. You just need to heat it and your choco lava cake is ready to be eaten, and nice molten chocolate is in it. You can enjoy it. Look at that moist chocolate cake.